Ang tanong, Patricia is a staunch advocate of any process or procedure used to resolve a dispute or controversy other than by adjudication of a presiding judge of a court or an officer of a government agency in which a neutral third party participates to assist in the resolution of issues, which includes arbitration, mediation, conciliation, early neutral evaluation, mini-trial, or any combination. Question: what is this process? A, B, C, or D? What is your answer, buddies? The correct answer is yes, as discussed earlier, di ba? Na-discuss ko na yan, Alternative Dispute Resolution System. Ito yung pagre-resolba ng mga hindi pagkakaunawaan other than by adjudication. Ibig sabihin, ito ang paraan, maliban na lamang dun sa ang korte mismo ang hahatol o magdidesisyon. So, Alternative Dispute Resolution. Yung arbitration and mediation, kasama yan sa ADR system. Yung litigation, yan yung pangkaraniwan na ginagawa ng mga tao na magsasampa ng kaso sa korte. Sasabihin, see you in court. Talk to my lawyer. Mga ganyang banat, di ba? So, again, hanggat maaari, Alternative Dispute Resolution.
AIM Smart, your review authority.